Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious pudding from leftover bread without an oven. First, gather your ingredients: stale bread, milk, eggs, sugar, and your favorite flavorings like vanilla or cinnamon. You'll need about 4 cups of bread, torn into pieces. Make sure your bread is a bit dry. This helps it soak up all the creamy goodness, creating a wonderfully rich texture for your no-bake treat. Next, prepare your bread by tearing it into small, roughly 1-inch pieces. This ensures every bit gets thoroughly coated in the custard. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and half a cup of sugar until well combined. For an extra layer of deliciousness, stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This mixture forms the rich base for your pudding. Now, combine your soaked bread pieces with the custard mixture in a medium saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium-low heat. Stir constantly for about 10 minutes, ensuring the bottom doesn't stick. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening and becoming wonderfully creamy. This gentle cooking process transforms the simple ingredients into a comforting, warm pudding, ready to enjoy without an oven. Finally, your no-bake bread pudding is ready to serve. Enjoy it warm, perhaps with a light dusting of cinnamon or a generous dollop of whipped cream. For delightful variations, consider stirring in 1/4 cup of raisins, dried cranberries, or even chocolate chips before cooking. Any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, perfect for a quick treat.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.